Hello everyone and welcome back to Satoshi Speaks YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to review another awesome and very amazing pre-sale product which is known as COGNI AI. So before starting the video I am going to give you a small disclaimer that I am not a financial advisor. So do your own research as well. Imagine the future with COGNI AI revolutionizing the interaction between humans and computers through advancements in artificial intelligence. You can check out their white paper, Bybit article as well as the audit has been done by CoinSert. They have the KYC badge as well. Also, they are featured on CoinGecko, Gate.io, KuCoin, Kraken, as well as Bybit. Also, you can check out, you can participate in this pre-sale phase as well. The days left are shown here, and the amount raised is also shown here. In this phase, the one COGNI token is equal to $0.08. So down here, you can check out the overview of the product. COGNI AI emerged as a response to contemporary challenges faced at the interaction of humans and technology. With the advent of artificial intelligence, they have witnessed significant advancements in areas such as natural language processing and computer vision. COGNI AI seeks to transcend these advancements, providing deeper and more meaningful interactions between humans as well as machines. So this is really good. The method of buying is pretty simple. You just had to set up wallet and then fund it and then connect and then buy the COGNI token and then claim and earn. Down here you can meet the team behind the innovation as well. He's the CEO. His LinkedIn profile as well as the Instagram handles are given here. The tokenomics of the product are really amazing. The token name is COGNI AI. The token symbol is COGNI. Total supply is shown here. Chain used is Ethereum chain. Also for the pre-sale they have reserved 50% of the supply. For liquidity they have reserved 10% of the supply. For staking 14.22% is reserved. For COGNI.1 14% is reserved. 4% is for venture capitals. 5.77% is for product marketing and 2.01% is for airdrop. Down here you can check out the roadmap of the product. Roadmap has been divided into phases. In 2025 the current phase is about pre-sale phase. The pre-sale on website, develop and release a comprehensive white paper, establish strategic partnerships to bolster the product, say partner endpoints, launch AI agent token generator which is a beta testnet, launch AI agent, chatbot generator, and much more. In 2025, the second phase, you will see tests and listings. Listings on CoinGecko, Crypto.com, App Radar, Crypto Foster, and much more. Also, you can check out other details as well. And also, you will see apps as well as growth and innovation in 2025. Also, you can check out many influencers have already talked about this amazing product. So make sure you check these videos as well. Also, they have already answered all of the frequently asked questions that are coming in your mind, such as what is COGNI AI, what are the main features of COGNI AI, who can you use COGNI AI, how does the AI agent token generator work, what makes COGNI AI different from other AI platforms. So all of the details are shown here. So if you have any questions in your mind, you can check out the frequently asked questions as well. Also, I want to tell you to make sure you join their social media handles such as Discord, X, as well as Telegram handle, because the developers of the product are already part of this community. You can directly talk to them and ask any questions that are coming in your mind regarding this product. So make sure to check out this amazing product as well. Also, they have an amazing staking feature as well. So make sure you do some on research as well. If you like the product, give it a thumbs up to the video and also check out their pre-sale as well. I will meet you soon. So till then, take care and have a nice day.